Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to day 8 of day trading futures with prop firms until I get a payout. If it's your first time here, I'm Brandon, and I'm on a mission to just share my futures trading journey with all of you. So if you're interested in following along, go below, subscribe, and you'll get all my new stuff. Okay, so today's trade. If you're not aware, I'm on a 50K Topstep combine that we're making our way through. Today's trade, Friday. You know, last month, Fridays were hot. We won 2 Fridays in a row, and then that streak ended. So do you think today's a winner, a loser? Did we get another dub, or did we lose it on Friday? I'm gonna break it all down. We're gonna jump over to my computer, and I'll show you what's up. All right, guys, anticipation's over. There it is, a whole measly $12.60. Today was a break-even day, and I think after the last few trades, psychologically, I've been a little bit down with my trading. It's been messing with my psychology. I've been taking trades that I shouldn't be taking. This one was similar. I was still in that track, that mode of thinking. I took this at 10 o'clock, which is, you know, lunchtime, East Coast lunchtime. And it's just way too late to be taking a trade. Volume typically dies around that time, and trades just chop around until maybe power hour, the last hour of the day in the market. You know, overall, I'm still grateful that I got out of this at break even. Okay, so here we are. The blue line here, you can see right there, was a 1 hour trend line. We were in a big descending channel, right? Price had moved down pretty quickly throughout the day, and I was seeing this consolidation around the trend line. I was expecting a bounce back up to previous day low, you know, retest and then reject and move back down. So that's why I was going long on this trade, going against the higher time frame trend, but you know, catching bottoms like this, and it can work if you get in and catch the move back up. So what I was looking for here is a break of this level, and you can see as soon as I started seeing this really tight consolidation right there, I was waiting for a break of that level, right? We started to make a higher low on that next little push down. And so I told myself, if we broke that level and wait for a candle push down. Now this was an aggressive entry. Usually I like to let it move up, move down, and then take the entry back out. But I didn't do that with this one. I took an aggressive entry. Again, it was 10 o'clock. I was thinking I need to hurry and get in this trade. Psychologically still kind of messed up from the last few trades. As soon as we got the break above, you can see this wick right here moved, tapped me in, and we had immediate momentum up. Like, I think at one point I was probably up around 375 here at the top, and I held it. Again, I was waiting to hit previous day low over here. I was thinking price was going to move up, tap off previous day low, and then maybe move back down again. Lunchtime hit, and you can see price just chopped all over in here for a long time. I was in this trade from 10 almost into power hour. So this was like a 2-hour hold for me. As you can see, I almost got stopped out. This was a point away from stopping me out for a full loss. I did not cut. I held. I almost got stopped. And as soon as I saw us start getting the momentum up, luckily I had the brains in me to say, let's just cut the position at break even. And that's what I did. It was almost to the end of the day here. So we walked out with a $12 winner. I'm okay with break even. I'm not happy with the way that I managed the trade, the time that I got into the trade. I probably should have just taken my profits up here. But again, as soon as I saw that momentum up, I was thinking, man, we're going to hit previous day low. Seeing it was 10 o'clock, lunch hour, I probably should have just taken profits up there and been done with it. But shoulda, coulda, woulda. It's so easy to look back after the fact. For all I know, this could have just kept rocketing up and hit full TP, and we wouldn't even be having this conversation right now. It'd be completely different. So jumping over into my notes on Topstep X here, I just wrote a couple things down, what I did well, where I fell short, and what I can do to improve. For this trade, I think what I did well is I caught the momentum up off the trend line, okay? It was an aggressive entry, but I ended up taking it, and it moved into profit relatively quickly. And the other thing I would say that I did well is I did cut the position as soon as we retested my entry. I could have seen this as, you know, maybe some type of double bottom or a sweep of liquidity, and then a move up and thinking, oh, we're going to go back and touch previous day lows. But market was getting ready to end. Power hour was almost done, and there was no way we were going to get that move in such a short amount of time. So I had the mindset that I'll just cut at break even, and that's what I did. So I did do that well. Where I fell short is entering a trade around lunchtime where volume usually dies. You can see where I just got chopped up, right? Price just chopped around for so long. I almost got stopped out for a full loss. Definitely do not enter a trade anymore. 10 o'clock for me, Pacific time, the cutoff. Ideally 9:30 at the latest, right? There are days where you continue to have moves up in volume, but I want to be in a trade before lunchtime comes, not entering the trade right around lunch. And then the other thing is I just held the trade way too long. I guess I could have taken some profit off at the top here, knowing that my timing wasn't ideal with when I took the trade. What can I do to improve? Stay away from entering trades anytime after 10. Again, like the last video, the bigger reason why is because I got into this trade to begin with is because I'm just putting pressure on myself. Really releasing that pressure, not putting such a big expectation that I have to take a trade every single day. I do a lot better when I see it and I take it, whether it's one day and then I don't take a trade for 2 days, whatever it is, okay? It's this whole expectation of getting this to XFA status in 30 days that I think is really messing with me. So that's something psychologically that I've been trying to work through, doing some meditation, thinking like, hey, drop any time expectations, let it happen as it happens and how it's gonna play out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Feel free to go below, subscribe if you want to keep following along with the journey, like the video if you liked it, leave some comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next